Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with the STX Appearance Package, powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. And the STX package gives you a unique grille, color-matched front and rear bumper, black accents, and unique rims, as well as black interior cloth. Looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then, well, with the black cloth as well, and you have vinyl flooring that's easier to clean. In the middle, you have two cup holders, 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. Can also go into further settings and information. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And then onto your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, hazards, traction control shut off, and moving down, you have your media controls and your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use, does have AC. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller, 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And onto the right side here, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet. And down below, you have a USB and USB-C. Then you have two cup holders, a little bin, and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.